Hello everyone. In the last class we discussed about multiplication of integers by Vedic mathematics. That integers are nearest to base value. Here we are taking some other example which are not that nearest to base value. For example, if we multiply a number 48 into 42, then the nearest base is not 10 or not 100. So what we can do in this case, we can take two cases. We can take two cases in this case. Either we take base is 10, that is we take two cases. First case, when we take base is 10, and case second, when the base value is 100, because these number are that far from 10 and similarly from 100, like middle value between 10 and 100. Okay, so we can solve in both the cases. See carefully. If I multiply this 10 base value to 5, we got 50 as a base. This is not actual base because it is not the power of 10. So the 50 we take as a base. Further you have to see what happened. Okay, we write two numbers separately. जो हम पीछे कर रहे थे वही. Number value minus base value. Here we are taking, let 50 as a base. So 48 minus 50 is minus 2, and 42 minus 50 is minus 8. Here minus 2. So we got these two complement. Let us solve these. Let us solve these complement. What we have to do? We can using additional operation in cross complement. Okay, so either 48 to 8 or 42 to 2. So what we get? 48 plus minus 8, that is 40. We multiply both these complements, minus 2 into minus 8. So what we get here? Plus 16. Here the base value has only 1 zeros. Okay, but in this case we are taking 50 as a base. Okay, so what we can do first? Here what we get? 40. Here let's see. If we are taking 50, we multiply base as 5. Here we get 40. In the we multiply this, what we multiply to the base. जो हमने बेस बनाने के लिए 5 मल्टीप्लाई किया बेस वैल्यू से, उसी को हम आफ्टर सॉल्यूशन जो हम एडिशनल ऑपरेशन में हमारा आंसर आता है उसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. व्हाट वी गेट? वी गेट 200. We get 200. Here the base value is have only 1 zeros, so we take from here only one number. One number is 6, and put this one to the 200 number. So 200 plus 1 is 201. Okay, what can we do? We have given 48 and 42. The nearest base is maybe 10 or 100. So we take 10. So we multiply 10 to the 5. So we get the nearest value of 48 and 42. These complement we get it because 50 as a base. We got 40 here. Here we multiply the base value 5. So the answer of additional operation is also multiplied by 5. So we get 200. Here only 1 0 in the base value, so we want only unit place here, and 1 goes to 200, so that the answer is 2016. If 100 is a base, then the nearest base of 48 and 42 is 100 divided by 2. So what we get? 50. 50 as a base because it is nearest to 48 and 42. What we get here? Complement 48 minus 50. We get minus 2. 42 minus 50. What we get here? Minus 8. Okay. So after receiving these complement, what we have to do? We have to do an additional operation in cross. What we get here? 48 plus minus 8. So we get 40. Okay. Here what we get? Minus 2 multiply minus 8. What we get? 16. Here there are two zeros in the base value. Here the actual base is 100. We let this base, we divide this base divide by 2. So here the additional operation of answer is divided by 2. So what we get? 20. Here two zeros in the base, so we want two number. So write it two numbers of this and this 20. The answer is similar to case 1. Okay, so whatever the method you want to use, you can use. But after the additional operation, what we are applying on the actual base, you have to apply here. We here multiply 5 and here we divide by 2. Thank you.